Welcome to TALSA Food Machinery. Today I would like to introduce you to our new range of all-digital Supreme bowl cutters, choppers, available in different capacities from 15 to 205 liters. TALSA Supreme bowl cutters choppers are designed to cut and emulsify any type of meat mixture and many other food products. In this video, I will present our entry-level model for medium slaughterhouses and industrial meat processors, the model K55 Supreme with 55 liters capacity. The cutter has two powerful motors offering variable knife speed from 500 to 5,000 revolutions per minute, as well as variable bowl speed from 4 to 20 revolutions per minute, and a standard mixing option 50 to 500 revolutions per minute. For heavy applications, the Power Plus option, available for both cutters, offers enhanced motor power. Electronic frequency converters procure efficient and smooth operation even at high speeds. A transparent noise reduction cover encloses the bowl, significantly reducing noise exposure during operation while allowing easy access to add product along with ice, spices, and any other additives while the machine is operating. When the cover is opened, the cutting speed is automatically reduced to 1,000 revolutions per minute in compliance with CE safety requirements and restored to the previously selected speed once the cover is closed. The knife lid is motorized for effortless lifting and lowering, allowing easy cleaning and maintenance operations. For loading large product quantities, the knife lid can be opened to prevent product accumulation. The knives will only rotate when the knife lid is fully closed and the lid open notification has disappeared. The cutter is delivered as standard with a removable knife head and 6 knives, as well as compensation rings for use with 3 knives. The knives are manufactured of high-quality knife steel by BE Maschinenmesser, made in Germany. The machine offers a simplified knife shaft, very reliable with advanced quality bearings and seals for high revolutions, 2 years guaranteed. The new control panel features the latest TALSA Control 4.0 operating software on a large 15-inch Schneider electric touchscreen, displaying all key operating data at a glance, including knife and bowl speed, product temperature, bowl turns, elapsed time, and current time. Freely configurable speed press selection buttons enable quick selection of the desired knife and bowl speed. TALSA Supreme cutters offer variable knife and bowl speeds for high-speed cutting mode as well as slow-speed mixing mode. In mixing mode, the knives rotate in reverse direction by default, allowing mixing without cutting. Knife rotation direction can be changed to forward slow-speed cutting when required. Automatic stop functions can be programmed based on elapsed time, bowl turns, and product temperature. When several stop options are active, the cutter stops automatically when the first program limit is reached. This ensures consistent and repeatable production results. The recipe function included in TALSA Control 4.0 allows operators to standardize recurring processes even further. Interactive recipes can be created, stored, and executed directly from the machine's touchscreen, ensuring consistent results independent of the operator. The removable bowl rim scraper improves product handling by guiding the meat mixture back into the cutting area. The scraper can be easily removed, allowing fast and hygienic cleaning. The self-adjusting lid bowl friction bars are removable for easy cleaning. Very solid 90 kg cast stainless steel bowl with outer rim to prevent liquids and dough from spilling, bowl with drain plug for easy drainage. Polished surfaces without corners ease cleaning and comply with the hygiene standards. Of course, the cutter complies with the relevant international safety standards. TALSA cutters are strong, all stainless steel constructions with solid stainless steel cast bowls, presenting trouble-free operation and extended product lifespan. TALSA, market leader in the global food industry.